Hi, my name is Chris Lucky, and I did a multi-graft hair transplant, and I'm a little over a year since that surgery, and I got to tell you that not only am I satisfied and things are going well, but I've also changed color a little bit too. But along that route, some of you know that I contracted cancer. We also had a lot of radiation, but it's all coming in now, and we're back to doing the laser therapy once again. It's coming in thicker. I can style it how I want to for the most part. I can color it like I have. And, I think I've had 3 or 4 haircuts since. It's amazing. I couldn't have done this a year ago. There wasn't anything there to do it with. I have had some listeners contact me. One day, not long ago, I had a guy who was the day before his surgery. He's still on the fence. He said, I am scheduled for hair transplant surgery tomorrow, and I'm scared to death. I don't know if I want to go through with it or not. And I said, let me ask you a question. What prompted you to call? He said, you did. And I said, well, I appreciate that. I said, because I'm not going to lie to you. So everything that I told you on the radio is true. Have you listened to everything that Michael and the staff has given you? Yeah. I said, how do you feel about that? He goes, I'm comfortable with them. I said, okay. What are you on the fence about then? What's the problem? He goes, are you happy? I said, you're going to absolutely love it. I said, you're going to ask yourself why you didn't do this a long time ago. And that's exactly what's happened. He called me back later and he thanked me. Well, I can share a story with you that happened recently. I still produce the football games for Montgomery Bell Academy here in Nashville. And it was the first one of the season. We were having some kind of issue or whatever. And I had come in and I was talking with one of the individuals who had not known in the past that we had used this software before. And he goes, well, I don't think we've ever done that. I said, yeah, we have for the last 4 years since I've been doing this. He goes, well, we'll just wait till Chris Lucky gets here and he can help us out with that. And I said, that's me. I'm Chris Lucky. And he goes, oh my gosh, I had no idea. He didn't even recognize me. Had no clue it was me whatsoever. He goes, your hair. He goes, I can't believe that. He goes, and the weight you've lost. He goes, I had no idea that was you. A lot of people still make comments to this day on Facebook. Man, that hair looks so good. It looks so good. And I hear it all the time. Those are some of the best things about all this, because not only are you happy that you got your hair back, but you hear the good comments too. A lot of changes have happened to me within the last year. You know, we talked about the end of 2019, in my family anyway, being treacherous with one thing or one tragic thing after another happening to us. We've lost family members, we've lost pets, we've lost property in the basement of our house that cost us a ton of money toward the end of 2019. Then look at 2020, that everybody's going through bad times. The pandemic that came along, you know, helped be a part of the issue that happened with my career change. And I just thought, you know something, this is not going to get me down. I'm not going to let it get me down. I've always had this dream that I love to cook, and that one of these days I'd love to own my own restaurant. And I'm going to do it. You know, I'm 55 and I've got this dream, and I want to build something for me. And I want to be the face of that business. And you want to be the face of that business? You're going to have to look good when you go out into the public. You may not have a dream to become a restaurant owner. Maybe you just have the dream to get your hair back. By gosh, do it. Yeah, absolutely. I'm absolutely satisfied. Totally. If I didn't, I wouldn't tell people that I am, number one, because that's not who I am as a person. I'm satisfied just from the standpoint alone of looking in the mirror every day and being able to style my own hair that I haven't been able to style. If you're looking for a place to go, this is it. Top shelf technology, top shelf quality staff equals fantastic, satisfying results. That's what's happened to me.